Hello and welcome to our rewilding project that we're doing here in France. We're basically planting loads of trees, and people have been helping us to do that, whether it be through donations or sending us items for the project, and it is very much appreciated. But someone commented and they said to me, 1,500 odd trees, it might not be enough to make a difference. Well, obviously, in a sense of the grander scheme of things, we need billions of trees to help clean the atmosphere and bring back wildlife and what have you. But as a global effort, if we all did something, even if we contribute to planting a tree, it all helps, it makes a difference. And it's not just for us, the project's not just about providing, growing the trees to take, the carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and what have you. It's also about providing habitats for the little critters, you see. Little birds and the bees and the insects and the little mammals and what have you. Because their habitats have been destroyed. They get comfortable, they make the bed and all that, and what comes along? A great big machine and chop the trees down. And all of a sudden all their habitats are destroyed. And it's not just the tree coming down, it's the crashing of the undergrowth and all that sort of stuff. They're losing their habitats. Now, since we started this project, putting up a load of little bird houses and various insect houses, etc., we've noticed a marked increase in wildlife. And also, they seem to be happier around us. Whereas before, they used to just jump away and stuff like that. If we walk down the garden, they'll be on a branch somewhere and just be staring at us and shit like that. It's just me and my dear missus, we find it inspiring, and also it makes us very proud of what we're trying to achieve. And obviously, we couldn't do it without your help, because people do participate, and the link's down below if you're interested. And we also make signs to go with the trees, maybe someone's lost somebody, or just put their name on it, or a message. And also on the bird boxes and that as well. See, the contributions go towards all sorts of stuff, whether it be buying trees to plant, or whether any excess in the contributions go towards materials to make the bat boxes and the bird. Oh, we have bat boxes as well. Bat boxes, hedgehog houses, and bird boxes, as well as insect houses as well. So we're doing quite a bit, really, and it all kind of comes into like an eco package. And if you know what I mean, we're planting the trees for the tomorrows, and also we're providing a habitat to provide the little critters somewhere to live for the nows. So it's like trying to build the population up. Because I know the nesting boxes, we have a very high success rate in getting birds in them. It must be 90 to 100% success rate on the bird boxes. So we are very proud of it. We are. There's no two ways about it. And we feel it's important. It's not just important actually what we're actually doing. It's also important to get the message out that it is important. If too many people, or it's too easy for people to forget about the stuff that's around them and how it ends up being there, and the stuff that ends on their plate, for instance, the stuff that they eat, the environment, the clean air and all that sort of stuff. People forget how or where that all came from and how it came to be. And if you live in the city and you're just surrounded by concrete, well then you're not going to know, are you, necessarily? You might not venture out that much. But everything that you've got, even the flippin' diesel you put in your car, came from organic material. It didn't start out as oil. It started out as organic material. So if you talk about future and all that sort of stuff, and if you are sort of a petrol head, well then, you still need organic material for the future, billions of years ahead, if you know what I mean, if we're still here, which I very much doubt the way things are going. It's very, very important that we do something about it. And when I read things like this, scientists warn of severe impacts as polar melt continues and the global ice is hitting the record lows. It contains carbon dioxide, so as that melts, it's also releasing carbon dioxide and increasing sea levels. It is important that we do something and actually have that mindset that we are aware of what's going on, so we can act positively to help slow it down. I think the idea we're going to stop it is for the birds probably, but the more people that act positively against the degradation of the environment, whether you're planting trees or stuff like that, well, the more chance that we have to delay the inevitable. And that's basically what we're fighting at the moment. Delay the inevitable until we find a solution. Good governance would be a start, but there you go. That'd be another channel. Anyway, you tell me what you think. Or are you interested in our project? Maybe you'd like to come and give us a hand, what have you, or do a contribution. Links are down below if you'd like to do that anyway. So, anyway, if not, just boot the old like button. Toodaloo!